Hello friends, in this video we are discussing 25 multiple choice question in vitamins. Please subscribe our channel for more videos and share this video. Question number 1 is vitamins are accessory food factor. Option A is right. Vitamins are accessory food factor. Option A is right. Question number 2 is vitamin A or retinol is a vitamin A or retinol is a polyisoprenoid compound containing a cyclohexyl ring. Option B is right. Polyisoprenoid compound containing a cyclohexyl ring. Option B is right. Next question is beta carotene precursor of vitamin A is oxidatively cleaved by. Beta carotene precursor of vitamin A is oxidatively cleaved by beta carotene dioxinase. Beta carotene dioxinase. Option A is right. Next question is retinol is reduced to retinol in instantaneous mucosa by a specific retinaldehyde reductase utilizing. Retinol is reduced to retinol in instantaneous mucosa by a specific retinaldehyde reductase using NADPH plus H plus. Option A is right. NADPH plus H plus. Question number 5 is performed vitamin A. Preformed vitamin A is supplied by. Preformed vitamin A is supplied by milk, fat and liver. Option A is right. Milk, fat and liver. Question number 6 is retinol and retinal are interconverted requiring dehydrogenase or reductase in the presence of retinol and retinal are interconverted requiring dehydrogenase and reductase in the presence of NAD or NADP. Option A is right. NAD or NADP. Next question is fat soluble vitamins are. Fat soluble vitamins are soluble in alcohol. Option is right. One or more propane units. Option B is also right. Stored in liver. Option C is also right. Option D is right. All of these. Fat soluble vitamins are A, D, E and K. It contains 5 carbon units and stored in liver adipose tissues. So option D is right. All these. Next question is the international unit of vitamin A is equivalent to the activity caused by. The international unit of vitamin A is equivalent to the activity caused by 0.3 microgram of vitamin A alcohol. Option A is right. 0.3 microgram of vitamin A alcohol. Question number 9 is lumerhodopsin is stable only at temperature below. Lumerhodopsin is stable only at temperature below -50 degrees Celsius. Option D is right. Question number 10 is retinol is transported in blood bound to. Retinol is transported in blood bound to aporetinol binding protein. Option A is right. Aporetinol binding protein. Question number 11 is the normal serum concentration of vitamin A in milligram per 100 milliliter is. The normal serum concentration of vitamin A in milligram per 100 ml is 15 to 60 milligram per 100 milliliter. Option B is right. Next question is one manifestation of vitamin A deficiency is. One manifestation of vitamin A deficiency is night blindness. Option B is right. Night blindness. Question number 13 is deficiency of vitamin A causes. Deficiency of vitamin A causes xerophthalmia. Option A is right. Xerophthalmia. Question number 14 is an important function of vitamin A is to maintain the integrity of epithelial tissue. To maintain the integrity of epithelial tissue. Option D is right. Question number 15 is retinal is a component of rhodopsin. Option B is right. Rhodopsin. Next question is retinoic acid participate in the synthesis of retinoic acid participates in the synthesis of glycoprotein. Option C right. Glycoprotein. Question number 17 is on exposure to light Rhodopsin forms. On exposure to light, rhodopsin forms all transretinal. Option is right. All transretinal. Question number 18 is Care-Price reaction is used to detect. Care-Price reaction is used to detect vitamin A. Option A is right. Question number 19 is the structure shown below is of. The structure shown below is of cholecalciferol. Option A is right. Cholecalciferol. Question number 20 is vitamin D absorption is increased in. Vitamin D absorption is increased in acid pH of intestine. Option A is right. Acid pH of intestine. Next question is the most potent vitamin D metabolite is. The most potent vitamin D metabolite is 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol. Option B is right. 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol. Question number 22 is the normal serum concentration of 25 hydroxycholecalciferol in nanogram per milliliter is. The normal serum concentration of 25 hydroxycholecalciferol in nanogram per milliliter is 8 to 55 nanogram per milliliter. Option D is right. Question number 23 is the normal serum concentration of 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol in picogram per ml is. The normal serum concentration of 125 dihydroxycholecalciferol in picogram per milliliter is 26 to 65 picogram per milliliter. Option A is right. Question number 24 is the normal serum concentration of 24-25 dihydroxycholecalciferol in nanogram per ml is. The normal serum concentration of 24-25 dihydroxycholecalciferol in nanogram per milliliter is 1 to 5 nanogram per milliliter. Option C is right. Question number 25 is the last question of this video. If you found this video helpful for you, please like this video and share the video. We need your support, so please subscribe our channel and share the videos. The question is a poor source of vitamin D is. A poor source of vitamin D is milk. Option C is right. Thank you for watching.